Hi, I'm Lucy here at AO. If you've got a busy household, chances are your carpets see a lot of action. Spills, muddy footprints and mystery marks happen all the time. That's why owning a carpet cleaner is a lifesaver. You don't have to get your carpets professionally cleaned or fork out for an emergency cleaner. You can tackle stains there and then, stop them from setting in, and keeps your carpets looking fresher for longer. Clear the room as much as you can. Moving the furniture out the way gives you proper access to the carpet and means you won't miss any patches. When your room's clear, give it a once over with the vacuum to remove any dirt. Every carpet cleaner is different, so it's worth checking your manual before you start. Most machines need warm water, not hot, and the correct cleaning solution. Using the right mix helps protect the carpet fibres and gives you the best results. Start in the corner of the room and work towards the door. That way, you won't walk over any wet, freshly cleaned carpet. Overlap each pass for even coverage. Slow, steady passes give the machine time to do its job properly. You'll get better dirt extraction and your carpet will dry faster too. Different machines have different techniques, so follow your model's guidance. It's tempting to go heavy on the water, but more isn't better. Overwetting can lead to longer drying times or even mould. Have a feel of your carpet. If it feels soaked, make a few extra passes without using the solution to soak up excess water. Once you're done, airflow is your friend. Open the windows or use a fan, and if you can, keep feet off the carpet until it's fully dry, usually 6 to 12 hours. Finally, don't forget the machine itself. Empty the tanks and give it a good clean after use. Just a few simple steps and your carpets will look better for longer.